Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I have a brand new customer in the shop. It's a 2008 beautiful Toyota Tundra. I love that green color. I love this truck, beautiful. It has 205,000 miles on the clock and it's pretty rough shape. It's being driven in the hills. So, as you can expect, might be pretty rough shape. For example, we might share it in different video. I thought this might be just hold this step, but apparently, believe it or not, that holds the gas tank. Shocking, isn't it? But I want to show you something else. I already checked the cabin air filter and it was full of dust. Of course, when I opened the hood, it's full of dust. But when I opened the engine air filter box, and I will show you right now, the filter was clean. Let's go look at it. How can I show it to you? Do you see inside? Oh yeah, clean engine air filter. But again, that will not confuse or mislead you, correct? The MAF sensor was probably never removed. These mini Phillips screws didn't want to even let me to pull it out. And I can see immediately it's dusty like crazy. But this video probably will be about the most dirty throttle body ever. Is that even possible? Let me show you. I keep inspecting these things all the time and I make the videos for you, and I don't remember seeing throttle body so dirty like this one. Let's enjoy it together. I see a rolling mud. There is floating, rolling mud on the bottom. Do you see those pieces? It's a dust, dirt, mud, sand, I don't know. I will say we have a winner. This might be the most dirty throttle body I ever seen in my automotive experience. So I wanted to show it to you. Look at those details, like how this engine runs. Look at it. You will be probably not surprised that this vehicle came for inspection but has no problems. When I scanned the ECM, there are no codes, it's ready to smoke and it idles perfectly. So because of that, you might, or someone might say, hey, why to bother with cleaning it then? Why to do the maintenance? Why to clean the MAF? Why to clean perfectly that throttle body and allow that idle air coming above and below that? Why all that? Why, if it's okay? Well, obviously, it's not okay. It seems to be okay, but it's not okay. You might have a worse gas mileage on the engine like this. The ECM, the buildup of dirt was very slow. The ECM dealt with it and very slowly was adjusting to it. So it's running, it seems to be running okay. I tell you what will happen if you disconnect the battery. For example, you need to replace the battery on vehicle, on this engine. If you have to remove the battery and you will hook it back, you will jump in the cabin, start it up, and boom, your idle is gone. You will be idling somewhere on 450, 500 RPM, and it will be barely run. It might be barely charging because that's super low RPM, and you will have a problem right there. If that happens to you, all you have to do, clean the MAF, clean the throttle body, and boom, the idle will be back up there where it belongs. So this is why we do these services. This is why we keep it clean, so it's running and it is in perfect condition. people. So I wanted really quickly share it with you. That's something you don't see every day. And maybe in the next video will be a tank, gas tank, hanging on the strap. I still didn't make it under, so I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, my friend.